Hello farmers, welcome back to BigChills farm channel, and on today's video we are diving into an important question in catfish farming. What type of feed should I feed my fish at each stage, and when is the right time for me to switch to another size? Feeding is the backbone of fish growth and profit, and if you get it wrong, you may waste money or slow down your fish. But if you get it right, your fish will grow faster, healthier, and give you a better return. Why did feed size matters in catfish farming? At every stage of catfish life, they require a different feed size. Number one, if the feed is too big, they will find it struggle to swallow it, or they will even spit it out. So if the feed is too small, they will waste energy searching for food. The energy they are supposed to use to convert your feed to body size, they waste it searching for food, and in return you waste money. So matching the feed size to your fish mouth is the secret to fast growth and reduce waste. So what are the feed size or stage a catfish farmer needs to know? Stage 1 is hatching, from 0 to 2 weeks old. At their early stage of 0 to 2 weeks, their feeding size is 0.2 to 0.4 mm, and they are to be fed 4 to 5 times daily, so that it can boost their survival rate and early growth. Stage 2. At this stage, they are from 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and their feed size is from 0.4 mm to 1 mm feed size, and they are needed to be fed 3 to 4 times daily, and this will encourage rapid growth and uniform size. Third stage is post fingernails, when they are from 4 weeks to 6 weeks, and their feeding size is from 1.5 to 2 mm, and they are needed to be fed 2 to 3 times daily. And the goal at this stage is to build strength and reduce mortality. Fourth stage. At this stage, they are at juvenile size, which is from 6 months to 2 months, and the size of feed they need at this stage is from 2 mm to 3 mm, and you can feed them 2 to 3 times daily. At this stage, they build body mass and prepare for grow out. Stage 5 is grow out. At this stage, they are from 2 months and above till any month you want to keep them, and their feed size range from 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, depending on the size of your fish or their mouth size. And their feeding time is once or twice daily, while the goal here is maximum body weight until table size from 1 kg and above. So when do you know to switch to a bigger feed size? Rule number 1, watch the mouth size of your fish. If your fish struggle to swallow feed, then the feed size is too big. Rule number 2, if they eat very easily and finish quick, then it's time to increase feed size. Number 3 rule, check growth uniformity. If some of them are still small, don't rush. You can separate the big ones to avoid stunt growth. So now I'll be giving us some golden tips for a successful feeding. Number 1, always buy quality feeds. Why? Because cheap feeds slows the growth of your fish. Number 2, Feed at the same time daily for consistency. Number 3, don't overfeed because it causes waste and pollutes the water. Number 4, observe your fish closely when feeding because they will notify you or show you once they are full. So in conclusion, feeding your catfish the right feed size at the right stage is the secret to fastest growth and better profit. So make sure to always match feed to their size and check their response to reduce waste. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other farmers, and don't forget to subscribe to BigChills Farm channel for more farming tips. So now, I do love to hear from you. What feed size are you giving your catfish currently? Drop it in the comment section so we can all learn together. At BigChills Farm, our catfish are eating 9mm and 6mm presently because they are due for harvest. So thank you for watching BigChills Farm, where farming meets success. See you in the next video.